This is Ennio Morricone, famous Italian composer that did the spaghetti westerns, Clint Eastwood films, many other film scores. Playing Gabriel's oboe, and the oboist in this piece is Tom Boyd, who I think is the top oboe player of all time. I'm playing on an Easttop EAP, which is a very inexpensive harp. It's only $118, including taxes, on eBay at Easttopharmonica store. But I'll tell you what, I don't think I could beat the sound of this, regardless of what harp I'm playing. And for a very inexpensive harp, again, I just think it's great. Now this one was customized with a sanded comb top, a little bit more airtightness. It was sanded from factory, but I did a little better. And I've got that beautiful ERGO button on there and a set of covers that are solid brass, nickel plated, that actually came off a Hohner 280C like 40 years ago instrument. Here we go. Now, just for fun, why don't I play it without the music? It gives you a chance to hear the harp alone in a little bit more detail. Now, I've heard some people say that they don't think the tone of the Easttops is too good. Well, I disagree. I did the initial testing on this model for Easttop before it first came out 7 years ago. They sent me 2 of them. I was amazed at how airtight they were, but I had a complaint. I said that I thought the reeds were too bright in recording, and the breast sabers were a little stiffish. They said to me, "We will endeavor to improve." And they did. So I'm just saying, I'll tell you what, I think it's a very pleasing instrument. The slide is, buttery smooth like it would be on a Suzuki SCX. Mouthpiece super comfortable, dead airtight. There's no air leakage of any kind. Kind of interesting, just as an aside, these stanchions are actually riveted onto the reed plates, so they kind of don't come off. So when you take the reed plates off, you can sit it on a table, and the reed plates will not touch anything, or the reeds won't, of the reed plate. But I've been very pleased, and I think that the tone with these Hohner covers is better. They're solid brass. And the nickel's kind of wearing off. You can see the brass almost through it. But anyway, that's the Scoopy. And we'll end with the piece again. Hope you enjoyed that.